Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you what I got in my kit for the month of June. I am part of a kit club and it's a local scrapbook store to me here, and it's called the Nick Nook. You can find it here, nicknook.ca. And let me show you what we got this month. Now, this pattern paper, this was in it. There's no name. I looked everywhere and I can't find a company name, but the rest of the thing is called the Stamp Market. So I'm thinking that's the name of the company. And the name of the collection is Miss Modern, maybe? I'm not sure. But let's just go through and see what we got. So this is a bunch of cut aparts. I love that. And then, oh, look at this side. Oh, I hate that. Because this is a beautiful pattern paper. Like, why not put it on something that it doesn't matter? But anyway, I know why they do it, so that you buy two. So there's that. And then there's this one. Big words. Get lost in what you love. Be yourself. Do your thing. Dream it. Do it. Repeat it. Cool. Then there's this flower and outline of flowers on green papers. Color palette, dark to light, color crush. Oh, I love this. I love both of them. Oh, that's going to be hard to do. It's going to be hard to decide. Okay, what I'll do is I'll probably take a section and then I'll use the polka dot on the other side. And this, I'm not too crazy about it, so I'll be using the labels. Huge flowers, I'll probably be using that side. Then a bunch of little cards that says, remember this, all things for the record, the story. I'll probably be using this because it's more usable. Some pink and orange, and then some flowers. I'll probably use this side. And then this is the Ultimate Stencil Guide, and it's pink with letters. I'll probably use the blue, even though it's pretty busy. I can see myself using that in section. Then this yellow, I'll be using this side because there's not too many good papers for foundation. So this, I'll probably cut those. That's pretty cool, but I'll cut them in stripes. Then this has a bunch of sayings, and then that I'll probably, I don't know, probably cut some of these out. So that's the papers we got. Plus, we got this from Cartabella. It's coordinating solid paper pack. So basically, it's like cardstock. Let's see the colors we got. It's 6 double-sided. So there's that dark orange and a blue. So I'm glad that there's 2. So I'll probably, do that. Then there's a green and a pink, and it coordinates really well with that collection. Then we have a yellow and a blue. Really like those colors, and it goes really well with the other collection. So we got those 6 cardstock. Then we got this ephemera pack. There's 33 pieces. It has quite a bit of tags in it. Let me see what we have, and I'll probably open that up in a minute. So these are phrase stickers. These are pretty cool. Then we have mini paper clips. Those are cool. I like that they're chunky. And then a little washi tape, and it's just white with black text, and it just says hello. So I can see myself using that. And then some alpha stickers in black. Okay, so now there's nothing else, so let's open these up. Just cut. Oh, I cut the edge. Oh well. Oops. It's okay. I could have opened it. Oh well. Too bad. Okay, there's a whole bunch of tags. Love that. In all different colors. So there's aqua, there's yellow, there's red. They're kind of thick too. There's like a light blue, a green, a dark blue. some chevron and some pink. And then you have some tabs with some words. Then you have some tickets. And then more tabs. This day, XOX. A big strip. This says life. This has the alphabet, like that pattern paper. More tab. More tabs. This says recorded on. And a whole bunch of little labels that says date. All different colors. Those are cute. And then a little flag that says note and another tab. Okay, so that is what I got in my kit this month. Now I'm going to have, I think I'm going to have another video because I did buy some extra stuff, but I want it to be in a separate video because it's some supplies that I'm going to be using in a class that I'm going to have probably in August. And I haven't done a regular class in forever. Like I've done virtual crops and I've done scrapathons, but a regular class, I haven't done any in a while. And I bought a paper collection and I just want to show you. So if you think you'll be joining me for that class, and we're going to use that one collection and we're going to use it till it's pretty much all gone. So I don't even know how many pages we're going to get done in that class, but it's going to be very specific the way I build the pages. I think I found a new way that I like to get these paper kits ready. So it'll be very specific how we do that class. But I'm going to end it here for this kit and this scrapbook haul. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.